Hello guys, in this step-by-step video I will show you how to find story drafts on Instagram. First of all, after you open your phone, go ahead and open your Instagram app like this. So now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, all you have to do now, tap on this plus button. As you can see, tap on this little plus button beside your profile icon. This plus button, tap on it. After you tap on this plus button, now it will take you to a place where it will allow you now to add story to your Instagram. So all you have to do now, tap on this section. As you can see here, it says draft. Tap on this draft section. After you tap on this draft, as you can see now you can be able to see all your story draft on Instagram. So now you can go ahead and choose the one that you want to post or the one you want to continue recording. So let's say I want to continue with this one. After you select your draft like this one, so you can go ahead and upload your drafts. As you can see now, by tapping on this share button, now you can go ahead and upload your draft on your Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.